Go.
So I need to make a hole in this?
Yes. Actually, we need to add fertilizer to it.
Yeah, we need to add amendments.
Mm-hmm. So you want to come and grab the phone? This will be the first time that those blackberry plants are getting fertilizer since we've had them.
It's about time, huh?
Yeah.
So now all I gotta do is just take it out the other pot and place it in there.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You will have to shake off as much dirt as you can when you're taking it out of the 5-gallon bucket.
Yeah.
That way, because this is basically full of dirt.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? You don't want to have too much, but you want to make sure that it gets buried deep enough. And I'm just trying to mix up the fertilizer that we just put in here.
Copy that.
All I'm doing now is I'm trying to make a hole big enough for the blackberries to be put in.
For what to be put in?
Blackberries.
What else?
What do you mean, what else?
What else? You forgot to put something else in there.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
You know what? No. No. You are not going to get me. Nope, not today.
All right.
I think that's deep enough.
All right, here, grab the phone. Old plastic, y'all.
No, it's not. He just broke my bucket.
No.
I know. I'm just messing with you. Y'all, he broke my bucket. Trying to make it seem like the bucket is old. Just pull it out.
Like crack it open easily. Do I need to break it up or just dig more hole?
Yeah. Actually, put. Oh, I can't do that. Grab that one and put the dirt in there. And then that way you can dig it deeper.
It sounds like it want to start now.
Pull it out and set it right there. And just set it on near the end. And then get the shovel and dig some of that dirt out. That way you'll have
Open it up, please.
some space. Use the shovel. That's not going to be big enough. You need to move a lot more dirt.
I need to dig some out.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I told you to put that there. And then we can fill it in with that.
Okay.
All right, now it should sit in there. There you go. Now stand it up so it's standing up straight. Yeah. And you're going to end up having to lift up these so you can put dirt all around it. Actually, all of that dirt that's there, push it over to that side and then use that to fill in that side. Does that make sense?
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah, keep going because you want to make sure it's in there. Okay. And we don't need to water it in because the soil is already moist.
Yes, it is. Really good and moist.
Mm-hmm.
Plastic pieces. You have to re-pick them up. More?
Yep. Okay, now pat it, make it smooth and pat it down. All the way around.
Add more?
Mm-mm. All right, now you can put it over there by that pallet. Actually, you can sit it on it.
I'm gonna set on some bricks.
Oh, okay.
Are you using those?
No.
All right.
Yep. Now we are done.
You wanna close it out?
Well, with there. Make it look a little bit decent.
Yeah, that plant came a long way, didn't it?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
So that is, I guess, our uppotting of the blackberry vine. Bush.
Fine. Both.
This thing. So thank you so much for joining us. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. So until the next one, we'll see you again soon. Bye.